morning, students. Today we will learn something about magnets. What are magnets? Sometime or the other, you must have seen a crane which is lowering a having is moving towards a heap of junk and has a long hand of the crane is lowered into a block over a heap. Many pieces of iron junk are found sticking to the block. This is so because the crane has a magnet, and this magnet will attract the pieces of junk which are carried easily. You must have seen in car scrap yards where old used cars are kept, cranes are used to carry the old used cars which might otherwise not be possible to carry them. You must have played with magnets sometime or the other. You must have made use of these magnetic stickers which you stick on the almirah. Also, you must have found the use of magnets in your cupboards and cabinets, which make the door to close automatically. Your refrigerators, the pins are found to have to stick inside pin holders in the offices. You must have also seen pencil boxes, they also have a magnet. How magnets were discovered? There was a shepherd named as Manganese who lived in ancient Greece. He used to take his sheep and goats to the mountainside for grazing. He used to take a stick to control the herd. The tip of the stick was made of iron. One day he was surprised to find that he had to pull hard to free the stick from a rock on the mountainside. तो ये मैग्नीज नाम का एक शेपर्ड था जो अपने शीप और गोट को माउंटेन साइड में ग्रेजिंग के लिए ले जाता था और अपने साथ में एक स्टिक ले जाता था जिसके एंड पे वो लोहे का बना था। एक दिन जा रहा था तो उसने ये पाया कि वो सीधे जाके रॉक से जाके वो चिपक गया। उसने छुड़ाने की कोशिश करी और बहुत मुश्किल से वो छूट पाया। Possible explanation is that it is possible that if the stick was being attracted by the rock was a natural magnet and it attracted the iron tip of the shepherd's stick, as you can see in this picture. It is said that this is how natural magnets were discovered. Such rocks were given the name magnetite, perhaps after the name of the shepherd, and magnetite contains iron. Some people believe that magnetite was discovered in the place Magnesia. The substances that have the property of attracting iron are known as magnets. People discovered that certain rocks have the property of attracting pieces of iron. They found that small pieces of these rocks have some special properties. They named these natural occurring materials magnets. Later on, properties of making magnets from pieces of iron were discovered and these were known as artificial magnets. यही property attract करने की use की गई कि natural magnets के द्वारा iron pieces को convert कर सकते थे into the artificial magnet. अब आर्टिफिशियल मैग्नेट अलग अलग शेप के बनाए जाते हैं, जैसे आपका बार मैग्नेट है, आपका सिलेंड्रिकल मैग्नेट है, आपका हॉर्स शू शेप मैग्नेट है, बॉल एंडेड मैग्नेट है. Now there is one activity where you will have to take a cup and that cup is going to be fixed onto a stand and the magnet is going to be placed inside of the cup and covered so that it cannot be seen. Now next you will take a clip made of iron. To one end of the clip you will attach a thread, fix it to the base of the and you are going to fix it to the base of the stand. Ensure that the length of the thread is smaller than the distance between the cup and the stand. Now the clip is raised in, you will find that the clip is raised in air without support like a kite. आप ये क्लिप को लेकर आएंगे बेस ऑफ द कप, और ये पाएंगे कि जो क्लिप है, इट विल बी रेज्ड इन द एयर विदाउट सपोर्ट, जस्ट लाइक अ काइट. Magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Let us make a stick like that of manganese. Just take a stick and at the end put a magnet. Now you go to the field nearby and try to see those things that can be attracted. We have got this table and you can complete the table using, you will find that some things get attracted to this stick, like your iron, maybe ball, maybe your nail, maybe anything that is made of iron, and you may have other things which are not attracted, can be like your scale, glass, etc. We may understand that magnet attracts certain materials, and those substances that get attracted towards the magnet are called as magnetic. Iron, nickel, cobalt, these are magnetic substances. Then the materials which are not attracted towards a magnet are non-magnetic. Activity 3. You can rub a magnet in sand or soil and pull out the magnet. You will find some substances sticking to the magnet. Similarly, you can carry out this activity near your home, school, or the places where you go for your holidays. Activity 4. Poles of a magnet. Spread some iron fillings on a sheet of paper placed on a table. Now place the bar magnet on the fillings. You move it over these fillings. What do you see? Does the iron fillings spread all over the bar magnet, or do they stick at one place only? You can see over here, this is a bar magnet, and we've got certain iron filings that are kept on the table. Now I'm just going to move it in this way. Now you can see how the iron filings are to the holes. The larger number of iron filings are found to be sticking to the holes. See, in this manner. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to put a little more of this iron filings, and we will see the pattern in which I am placing more of iron filings. We will have a closer look at how we can have a closer look over here, and you will find that the iron filings are going to be arranged in this manner, in this way. We find that the iron filings are attracted more towards the close to the region close to the ends of the bar magnet. This is called the poles of a magnet. This before you are iron filings, and now I'm going to place this bar magnet on these iron filings. I'm going to move it over. And what do we have here? You will see a certain arrangement. You can see that at the ends, the iron filings get stuck to the bar magnet at the poles, that is at the north and in the south. No matter how much I try, you will not find the middle portion to be having iron filings stuck to the bar magnet. Here also, I am trying my best, but I will find that at the center there is not much of the iron filings sticking to this. You can see over here I am bringing the bar magnet close to the horseshoe shaped magnet. Now I am trying to see how where there is a portion where it is getting repelled and a portion where it is getting attracted. See over here, the first portion was repelling because they were the like poles. This is getting repelled. Now I am going to try to, yes, you can see that it gets attracted to the other end. So we will come to the conclusion that the like poles will repel and unlike poles will attract. Thank you.